K510 Automotive Group. Today we're actually working on the 6 Series today, man. We got some new injectors. Well, it's supposed to be updated ones. We're gonna see how they work. We're gonna pull out the old injectors and then go from there. So, what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna take off the intake boot. That's my homie Jeff right here, man. Y'all remember him for the Speed 6 video, man. Yeah, it's a nice day. It's real hot, man. Right now, we're just disconnecting the harnesses from the fuel injectors. Sorry, my allergies are starting to kick in now.
There's some missing the clip, I think.
Shit.
There you go.
Oh, so you figured out how to take them off?
Yeah, it's this thing, but I was taking the whole thing off. But you just take one side.
Yeah.
It's loose enough that you just pull it out.
It's weird that they don't have the push style.
Oh, it's old style.
Yeah.
So now you gotta take the ground off so you can see these wires off the rail.
Oh, the ground.
Yeah, there's one screw that screws all of them down. Might be a 10. Oh, you might have it, so.
Oh, you see it.
Are those like ignition coils?
No, injectors. They basically spring to the cylinder. When the cylinder like compresses it. Yeah, when the spark plugs. It's crazy how this shit works, man. Got spark plugs, injectors, and then compression from the engine. And then you got timing. So all of that is working at once as a team, like one squeeze,
Right when you turn the...
one spark, one blows. Like crazy.
Oh, this shit don't burn you?
No, it is burning me. My hands are itching.
I'm talking about burn.
You gotta use that distancing cream.
Put a little alcohol on it. Ghetto style.
Yeah, you gotta take the whole damn rail off. This thing, it's not too complicated. These are like kind of the simple versions. Like the wiring was really not too much back then, but just remember where everything goes. It's gonna be the tricky part.
Wait, just put it down.
Start yanking
I need
it.
some damn pliers.
Huh? That's cool. Just do this.
Yo, I can.
Oh shit! Good?
Yeah, it went your way. Are you okay?
That I ain't giving
I'm good. Damn, that shit got man.
Damn.
That's gas?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
See, it was getting fuel pressure, but the injectors were clogged.
Oh,
Damn, you got that?
That could be the fuel wheel.
Yeah, I got
too.
it.
Damn.
Damn.
I was gonna take this off too. I was like looking for some pliers.
Oh shit.
It was just clogged?
Last time it didn't have that much pressure.
No, that's a lot of pressure.
That's a lot of pressure now.
Yeah.
I guess we got a fuel pump working.
Yeah, the fuel, but it's not even powered.
Yeah, but the last cycle might have had that pressure.
Wow, this shit's gonna start, man.
Yeah, so
definitely
from
gonna
all the way
start.
down to here, we got it ready. So if it's not the fuel rail and just the injectors, you should be.
But I think the injector's just clogged.
Yeah, I mean,
That's probably it.
should be it.
Shit.
Damn, man, you would have caught on fire.
Yeah, I was like, oh shit.
Burning Man.
Yup.
Hey, smoke coming up.
Oh, you got that?
Yeah, it just seals. You just pop them out.
Damn, look at that injector. Comparing it to the new ones.
New ones, they're like blue. Oh, yeah, it's the same one though. That one just look a little smaller.
Yeah. But the port look way bigger. Like, look at this little needle compared to this one. Look at this. Look at the difference. That's crazy.
That's not good. Mm-hmm. Oh, you're doing the wrong way. That's why.
Sure.
Is it? Oh, shit, yeah.
Look at this little needle on there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's easy to get clogged if that port is that small.
It's a different design. That's why.
Yeah. The hell.
Oh, now we know.
I'm gonna use some spray nine and spray. Lube them joints up.
They have oil in it?
Yeah, they got oil.
Damn.
What?
Look like water.
Yeah, that shit's disgusting.
Oh, damn, that breeze feels so good, man.
I just like doing it raw, man.
Give it to
Alright,
me.
guys, we got the fuel rail out. It's kind of cleaning it out, getting all the carbon, actually all the old gunked up gas out of it, you know. This thing is 30 years old. Jeez.
Can't wait to hear this thing, man.
We just use a carbon parts cleaner, a carburetor parts cleaner. I'm not sure this is the right stuff to use, but that's what we got. Yeah, this is what we got, man, laying around. I'm cleaning out the rail. So I'm gonna go and clean out the ports on the intake. Well, it's cleaning up pretty good. If you look, like all the carbon buildup and trash that was in there, it's coming out.
You trying to turn me into Daredevil?
Oh, you good? Yeah, turn me into Daredevil. No, man.
I got it on fume. No, I'm sorry.
I wish I could really clean this thing out.
No, you should be good.
Should be good?
Later on, we could put a fuel cleaning system.
Yeah.
And run it really hot.
Yup.
And then definitely will clean it out.
Alright, let me go ahead and clean out the intake ports. I'm pretty sure this thing gonna fire up now.
Yeah, well, with all that pressure and
Yeah, shit had hella pressure.
it went into crank last time.
Yup.
I think let it run a little bit and change.
Rings too fresh, man. Let me spray them.
Alright, you want me to push it in?
Let me see. I mean, that was a good idea what Jeff said, though, man. Fucking just
Yeah, go ahead and use that.
try to slip it in.
I'm spray the wires now.
Don't worry, the fire will grind them up.
Don't bring part two of the green E36. Oh my god.
Yeah, that shit was scary, bro. I'm like, bro, go get the water hose. This nigga froze. Like, fuck. The car, we were like trying to start the car with
I thought it was too late.
with brake clean. That shit went crazy. The car backfired and cut. Turned the whole harness on fire.
Yeah, dang.
Yeah.
I thought.
You spraying everything we break?
No, we just sprayed into the intake. It like backfired and like, oh man, that shit
Oh,
was
you probably
scary.
put too much.
Yeah, I did.
So I thought it was too late.
Nah, you just put it to see if it works. That's it, not to actually.
That shit came right back up. The flames came right back up from the intake. I mean, from the combustion chamber.
Yeah, man.
Right? Like, that thing was crazy. Oh shit. He looking at the car.
It's his friend.
You know, I need the car, man. Don't touch the car dirty.
And this.
Hmm? As we got the new injectors in, we're trying to go for the first start. Oh yeah, that ignition is kind of funny. All blue. These are the old ones. Set everything back on. We're gonna try to start it. Hopefully this battery. Is any lights or anything? Let me go get a jump box. I think we got a jump box.
Yeah.
Alright guys, going for the startup, man. Wish us luck. Oh my goodness. That was the first time it stayed that long.
It stayed. It's probably like bad gas, but. Put some gas. Press on the gas. Like pump the gas. Alright, go ahead.
Come on, baby.
Dang.
Yeah. Shit, that's good enough for me, man. Please like and share this video, man. We got it. Like, man, that's the most I've ever seen this car do, man.
So at the end, it runs.
It definitely runs.
You gotta put another battery, but we good.
Yeah, just gotta put a battery. Yeah, man. Okay, man, I'll take that.
Weekend practice, done.